Today is the 10th of February 2012. Dino turned 4 the other last week. What are you doing, Dino?
I'm wiping.
I think you're sanding the wood. Because what are we making?
I'm helping you.
Are we making picture frames?
Yeah.
From this piece of wood?
Yeah.
Leo hurt his lip quite bad last night. Didn't you, Leo? Your lip? Yeah, he's a little bit sore, and then he hurt his tooth this morning, and you can see he's got a bit of a fat lip. 2 times, 2 days. Why are you sticking your tongue out? Mummy's gone shopping and get some food for the week.